Meaning of decorative.
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 Decorative. Decorative refers to anything that enhances the appearance of an object or space without necessarily adding any functional value. Decorative elements can be applied to a wide range of objects, from furniture and household items to clothing and accessories. The use of decorative elements is often intended to create a mood or atmosphere, or to communicate a certain style or aesthetic. Some common decorative elements include patterns, colors, textures, and ornamental designs. Ultimately, the goal of decorative design is to create a visually pleasing and harmonious environment.